This structure mixes architectural styles of Tudor Revival and Craftsman bungalow, which were prevalent at the turn of the century. Built by prominent Quincy architect Ernest M. Wood, this building is one of the earliest and finest of this design in the downtown area. Wood blended the use of elongated straw-colored brick and stone while combining styles of Tudor and Craftsman bungalow into an attractive, elegant, and efficient commercial building that remains largely unchanged since it was erected in 1900. The original structure had a shingle roof and a bay window at the rear of the building, and the interior was remodeled for a physician's office during 1944 to 1946. This structure represents the traditional Ernest Wood work prior to the prairie-style influence of a studio directly south of the building that was erected 12 years earlier. These two buildings, side by side, reflect the dramatic influence Frank Lloyd Wright's work had on architect Wood. In 1890, Dr. E.B. Montgomery, cousin of Ernest Wood, acquired the land for the building and was first occupied by H. Milton Wade, a photographer. By 1912, it was occupied by Lieberherr photographers and later by Beersell photographers. After several years, it was used as an office for a chiropractor until 1981. This Historic Quincy Business District podcast was produced by WGEM. Special thanks to the Gardner-Denver Museum of Architecture and Design, the Historical Society of Quincy and Adams County, and Quincy Preserves for providing information. For more information, you can visit www.downtownquincy.com or walk to the HQBD office at 128 North 5th Street. I'm WGEM's Rich Kane.